This is the aftermarket trading report brought to you by TradingWings.com for Thursday, December 15th. The NASDAQ on the 60-minute chart gapped up this morning right off the bat, gapping over this topping tail, which seemed to indicate there was a possibility the 60-minute downtrend, which we have had a sell signal on since 12.7, could be challenged and possibly coming to end. But that was quickly retraced and rebuffed and moved back down to the lows, and we based there for the rest of the day. For tomorrow, if we get back above 55.42, a gap above 55.42, and a pullback that holds, could be a buying opportunity for a move higher. If we trade under 54.58, any retracement under that level could be a short. Now, if we look at the daily chart, we can see the highs recently were 57.62, 52.88. We've now retraced over half of that recent move, which seems to indicate odds are now more in favor of possibly coming back down to test these November lows. Tomorrow, if we do get below this area, that will be further confirmation. Strong sectors today. The Dow Jones Transportation Index was the strongest sector today from the open, second with healthcare. These are two areas that you can look for possible longs tomorrow if the market reverses. Sectors finishing weakest, number one sector finished weakest today were oil service stocks, followed by coal. These would be two areas, if you're looking for short candidates tomorrow, you might want to focus. Other possible long stocks for tomorrow: ERTS. If you look at the daily chart on ERTS, it's been coming down for a number of days, and now we've had a gap above this red bar today. If we drill down to the 60-minute chart, any move above this base tomorrow that holds to 2107, we could look for a possible long for a move back to the 22 area, right here. Next on the list, Coinstar. Coinstar had a buy set up the trigger today. If we move to the 60-minute chart, if we can get above this area of the 56.11 area and hold, this could be an area. This could be a potential long candidate for tomorrow. And then GM. GM's a stock also that came down these recent lows here. We gapped above a red bar today. If we move to the 60-minute chart, any move above today's highs tomorrow, above this 2018 area, we could see further upside on GM. Short candidates for tomorrow: BRCM. If we look at Broadcom on the daily, you can see it's been down. It had quite a harsh move down here in November, and then it's based here late November, early December. But now we're starting to roll over again, and we've been basing here negatively for the last 3 days. We tried to buck that trend on Wednesday, but that bar was quickly reversed. If we move to the 60-minute chart, we can see now there's a double bottom forming here on Broadcom. If we move under the 2805 area tomorrow and hold, this could be a short candidate. Also, gold mining stocks, GDX. Same type of thing. We had a gap down on the gold miner index on the 12th. Then we also had a gap down on the 14th. Now, the last 2 days we've been consolidating. Had a couple bottoming tails here, but we got below this first support area in October of 52.03. Now that we've been basing here for 2 days, odds are increasing that if we slip below this 51.53 base that's formed over the last 2 days, odds increase that we could come down to this 50.42. So you have about $1 move there. And then Sears Holdings, SHLD. SHLD is a stock that's been under pressure the whole month of November. Late November, December, again, we had a base, and then we gapped down, and now we came down again. We've been basing for the last 2 days again on this stock, and it just can't seem to get off the ground. If we slip below this $50 level tomorrow and we can't get back above it, this could be another shorting opportunity. Remember, plan your work tonight so you can work your plan tomorrow. This is a trading report for Thursday, December 15th. Have a good evening.